have to beat Oklahoma, but I'm going to take Utah. They're in the books for 13-0. They're my number one team. So they won't win it, but the Utes had a chance. But seriously, my pick last week was Alabama, and this week, really for this year, I think it's a trader's market. I'm not bullish. I'm not bearish. I think you need to be in the mindset really for the next 18 to 2 years, maybe even more. This market's going to go up, it's going to go down, but in the end of the day, it's really going to kind of consolidate and again go through this consolidation period.
You look at the last 15 years in the market or something, and we've been in basically a massive trading range. Right. We hit the bottom of that trading range back, by the 2002 lows, whatever, and we're back above those. But we're basically in a massive trading range for 15 years. Right. And that happens in markets when you get as overvalued as we did in the 99-2000 bubble. You get a long period of stagnation, and that's what we might probably see in the real estate.
And so I would say in stock markets, also all asset classes, it's a good time to trade. There are times to trade, and there's times to buy and hold, and there's times to get the heck out. Right. But I think this is a great market if you want to educate yourself and learn how to trade. This is a great, fantastic trading opportunity.
And I think in this context, you're talking about trading. Maybe you hold positions for a few months,
absolutely,
a few weeks, not day trading. But I agree with you on the general outlook. I mean, if people are thinking that maybe 09 and 010 are going to be a way to recoup a large majority of their losses,
I think it's tough.
I don't see that, not yet at least.
Right.
It's possible, but I think you got to be a little bit more
To me, it's pretty
nimble.
simple. I mean, even if you're a long-term person in nature, then stay away from this market for right now, because it's not a market, again, to buy and hold and expect big returns. I just don't think, and in the same side, you're not going to sell short and make a lot of money at this point, at this juncture.
Yeah, exactly.
I think, I don't know what's going to happen this year. I think it's very possible we could see a very big year in the market, but it's not going to get back all the losses that way. I mean, even if we go up 30%, 40% this year, we're still going to be way down from beginning of last year.
Absolutely.
So, I mean, to say that we're not going to have, a huge year, I think we could have a really good year. Mm-hmm. It's possible, but we're not going to recoup all those losses.
But even a 40% move would only get us back to half the breakdown.
We'd have to go up like 100% this year to make back those losses that most people had from last year. So,
how about you, Dave? What are you sitting on this month?
I kind of in agreement. I'm not bullish or bearish on anything big, although I am with the TBTs. But I'm willing to hold that for a couple of years. I bought some about 2-3 weeks ago. It's a little underwater right now, but I'm.
But you've defined your time frame, and like you said, it's a few years.
It represents a very small percentage of my portfolio. So if it flames out,
big deal.
Big deal. It didn't work. Yeah. Right. And that's the key thing: is keep it within a realistic parameter, so you doesn't
think about what you're willing to lose.
Define that risk always first.
Exactly.
Forget about the gains. Gains will take care of themselves. Always define your risk.
Yep, that's all the time we have. Send us an email, questions@thetradingdesk.net. We'd love to answer your questions. We've answered every one we've gotten so far, and it's fun for us. And so shoot us an email. But thanks for watching the show, and until next time, you've watched The Trading Desk, and stay classy, Central Oregon.